Hi, my name is Marjorie Wildcraft, and I'm the founder of the Grow Network. And I am so excited that I am going to be going to Jekyll Island, Georgia, October 10th and 11th for an event called the Red Pill Expo. And if you're thinking, gosh, I've heard about Jekyll Island, what the heck? It's because it was the birthplace of the Federal Reserve, and there's a man named Edward Griffin who actually wrote a book called The Creature from Jekyll Island, and Edward is organizing this event, the Red Pill Expo, and it's going to be an amazing group of speakers and an amazing group of people that are coming together. What's happening right now on the planet, this is not some little 2008 recession, whatever. These are major changes on the planet. This is a change of an epoch. And how are you going to live through that? How are you going to survive? How are you going to thrive through that is a topic of conversation and the point of getting together for this weekend. I specifically will be presenting on how to grow food. If you haven't noticed, eggs have gone up about 10% since February. Meat's up about 20%. Vegetables are anywhere from 8 to 15%, depending on where you are. These trends are only getting started. Food inflation is a real deal. Actually, there are quite a few people that are saying that there are going to be engineered food shortages. I don't know, but anything is possible. It's 2020. And quite frankly, we are headed into this fall, and this winter is going to be unbelievably traumatic. Making sure that you have a food supply is vitally important. The migrant workers have not been coming in due to the whole virus thing. They haven't been planting, they haven't been harvesting. The meat packing plants have not, they're not at capacity, they're not going to be at capacity. We are going to hit a point where food is, you won't believe how fast the prices will increase. But let me show you what you can do. So I'll be presenting on how to grow half of your own food in a backyard-sized space. And this is just a sampling of some of the things that I've grown. You can be doing this. Eggs, look at these beautiful eggs. Meat, yes, you can grow your own meat in a backyard-sized space. I'll show you how to do it. Also, I'll have 7 strategies for people. For those of you that do not have a yard, who are living in a condominium apartment, I'll have 7 strategies for how you can also be growing your own food or securing your own food supply. So this is Marjorie Wildcraft. I'm the founder of the Grow Network. Come join me October 10th and 11th at Jekyll Island. There'll also be a live streaming option. I'll see you there.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. Learn to grow food in your backyard at www.growhalf.com.